Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix finals stuck on initial screen. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue in the finals? Well, fixing this issue actually is pretty easy. You just need to do the following. So first things first, guarantee that you have a stable interconnection. Now, having a pretty slow interconnection or unstable interconnection can actually cause this issue. So meaning, make sure to check your interconnection. So use a, like for example, a speed tester on your browser and see if you have a fairly fast interconnection. Now, make sure that the download speed as well as the upload speed are actually quite good, because if one of those actually fails the speed test, then most likely this is the cause of your issue. Now, if that's not the cause of that issue and you have a pretty fast interconnection or stable interconnection, then there's still a few things that you could do here. So one of them is to make sure that you verify the actual game files. So in this case, you go ahead and open up Steam here. That's where you have the finals installed. And from here, you want to look for it. So in this case, just right click on it, go to properties, and you want to go to install files and just click on verify integrity of game files. So this will actually update or verify the files on your PC, and usually this will actually solve a lot of issues you're encountering on the game itself. But in this case, once you've the verification or the verification process here is complete, you should be able to basically start playing again. Now, in some cases, you could also try just basically start your game. So sometimes doing a really quick restart or closing the actual game or starting again can actually solve a lot here. So it's pretty simple, but what I would like you to do here is you want to open up your task manager, and from here you want to look for the finals, and if you see the finals here, make sure to click on end task here to actually end the game. Now, another way is by clicking on the bottom right here. If you see the finals, make sure to close it by clicking on it, and you want to click on quit or close. But in this case, once you've restarted it, you could go ahead and start playing again. And another cool trick here you could do is you could also restart your PC, because I don't know, it's quite weird, but in this case, sometimes restarting your PC can solve this issue. And finally, the last thing that we could do here is to just basically restart update your graphics driver. So depending on your graphics driver, these steps might vary. So for example, if you're using like MSI or NVIDIA, make sure to install the actual app for that. So in this case, they will have the actual update for it. So as an example, I'm actually using AMD here. So typically at the top right, you should be able to see the current version that you're using and the updated version here. So in this case, just click on the download button here to proceed on updating your GPU. And once you've done that, just start your PC and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.